My dear boys, in this class we are going to discuss about the continuity of the subject Biology for Engineers, in which we are getting to know about the characteristics of living organisms. In the earlier classes, in the earlier slide, we discussed about two important things, one as movement and the second as respiration, in which the third one is sensitivity. Every living organism is having its own sensitivity. Sensitivity includes three major points. One is detecting stimuli, the second one is human eye reflex, the third one is venous flytrap. Let us identify one by one. What do you mean by deflecting stimuli? The organisms which are living sense and react to stimuli. These can be either external or internal based on the things. For example, light, temperature and touch are the externals. pH value, glucose level are the internal stimuli. So, we know that the external as well as internal stimuli can be detectable under the category of sensitivity. Next, human eye reflex. People contract rapidly. They shrink from 8 mm to 2 mm. That is, the shrinking is in between 8 mm to 2 mm in half a second in bright light. Under the condition of the bright light, we are blinking our eyes between 8 mm to 2 mm. The third sensitivity concern is venous flytrap. The plant closes in 0.1 seconds. This happens upon trigger hair stimulation. So, under the sensitivity, we are knowing about the detecting stimuli, human eye reflex as well as the venous flytrap. Okay. The fourth consideration is growth. So, every living organism are getting grown. Human growth can be mentioned in such a way that the average height increases in the first year is 25 centimeter. In the first year, human growth is about 25 centimeter. Okay. Growth is an irreversible. Growth is an irreversible increase in size and complexity. It occurs through cell division, cell enlargement and differentiation. So, in 20 minutes, birectal colonies can double the mass under the optimal conditions. So, growth is an irreversible increase in the size and the complexity. It occurs through cell division, cell endowment and differentiation. The fifth one is reproduction. So, there are three categories under reproduction, that is to produce offspring, asexual methods as well as sexual reproduction. Produce offspring means that living things create new individuals of their species. This ensures continuation, and binary fission and budding are some examples. Gametes fuse, promoting genetic variation helps the species adapt. Then nutrition and excretion takes place, the major role in the characteristics of living organism. We will discuss the next things in next classes.